This video will show you how to find the least crowded Wi-Fi channel for maximum speed. You can stop slowdowns and optimize your Wi-Fi in under 10 minutes. Your Wi-Fi is an invisible traffic jam. All the Wi-Fi signals in your area compete for the same space, causing congestion and slower speeds. The 2.4 GHz band presents a challenge. Channels are 20 MHz wide, but are spaced only 5 MHz apart, which leads to significant overlap and interference. The solution is to use the magic trio, non-overlapping channels 1, 6, and 11. Using other channels causes adjacent channel interference, slowing down your connection. To see the invisible traffic, use a Wi-Fi analyzer tool. The action is to scan your location to find competing networks and their channels. The key rule is to choose the quietest magic channel. The best choice is the one with the fewest strong networks operating on it. The 5 GHz band is your Wi-Fi express lane. While 2.4 GHz offers longer range, 5 GHz provides faster speeds due to more available non-overlapping channels. To apply your new channel, first log into your router's admin panel. Then, find your wireless settings and manually select the optimized channel. A pro tip is to fine-tune your channel width. For 2.4 GHz, use 20 MHz for stability. For 5 GHz, use 80 or 160 MHz for the fastest speeds. Your 3-step Wi-Fi tune-up is simple. Scan for competing networks, choose the quietest magic channel, and apply the settings in your router.